Welcome to this MyTrucking video. Today we're going to run through the user settings page and how you can set up different types of users and what access they'll have within the MyTrucking system. There are varying degrees of MyTrucking user levels and what they can access, all the way from a super user who can access everything through to a driver who can just access the mobile app, and also levels in between. A really handy way to work out exactly what level of access a person would need is to simply go into the user section, which is account users, and then click on the what's this button next to the user role. So this will bring a pop-up that will show you all the different types of features and access that different user levels have. As you can see, the super user can do everything. A full access user can do everything except view the job change history, edit already invoiced jobs, and also view the dashboard. And then an operator can focus mostly on creating jobs and pricing jobs, along with viewing a few reports. A basic operator can see exactly the same as an operator, but they cannot view the prices on jobs. And then also the driver here who can just access the driver app. And remember, the driver app has no access to the pricing or rating functions either. If they are a driver, you'll have the ability to assign which vehicles they drive. So for example, if we were setting up a new driver who was just driving vehicle 102, then we'd click that. But if they were driving multiple vehicles or were a relief driver for another vehicle, we could simply tick that on as well. You then have the ability to show how far out a driver can see a job. So whether that be just today's job, today plus a few days out, or weeks or 2 weeks in advance. You then have the ability as well to add or edit jobs. So this will give them the ability to make changes to jobs as it arises or add their own jobs. Finally, the other option they have is allowing to repeat jobs. So if these drivers are on turnaround and just doing jobs back between, say, a quarry and a dump site, and that's just the same job all day, depending on how many loads they can do, you can turn on this allow to repeat jobs function to allow them to create a carbon copy of the old load and use that next, so it saves you having to enter multiple jobs on the PC. Other levels of access will require different pieces of information, but mostly it's just the first name, last name, login. For computer users, we recommend the email instead of the phone number, a password, their email address, and their phone numbers.